Alright guys, so we are drifting today. We have the drift car back there. Tomorrow's my birthday, so we just decided to come out today, test the car for the first time after we fixed it. So wish us luck, guys. Hopefully today is a good day, which is going to be, because you speak to existence what you want to happen. So with that being said, let's get it. Right, we just got moving. We got some guy named Honda up there with his FRS. That thing is also LS or 1JZ swap, and we're cutting because drift cars go first. Let's get it. Alright guys, we just got here, about to unload the drift car and keep it going and go this way. It's about to be a great time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get it. Sheesh. Whole bunch of drift cars. This thing's fresh. Oh yeah. Sheesh. I got a little warmed up. We got stuck here. Got a whole bunch of nice cars. My boy's Beamer. Sheesh. This thing's insane.
That thing is sick.
So sick. Got a couple of Z's. What's up? She got her headphones. We got a S14 over here. This thing's sick. Hell yeah. Got the 1J.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, what's up, man?
Good to see you.
Man. Good to see you too. Sheesh. Let's get it, guys. About to have a good time. Oh yeah. Got Eddie over here. What's up, Eddie? Sheesh. All right, we got the Z's over here. We got a FRS boxer engine. Got Pandas edition.
Hey!
Here.
Wall Stadium, baby!
Let's go.
What's up?
What's up, man? How you doing? Hell yeah. I like the headlights, bro.
What's up, Jose? You got a new ride.
Huh?
I see you got a new ride.
All right, we lined up. Nico about to get in it. Sheesh. This LS swap, I
I
think.
like this one. Is he
LS.
well?
I don't know.
Because he has
This
he
thing's
has
sick.
the name tag. And he has his country
LS3.
and his numbers.
It's fresh. Let's go. One JZ. One JZ. One JZ. Sheesh. Let's go. Alright, first ride along for Gabby. She's gonna feel the 1JZ power. First time back. Let's get it. There's Peyton. Let's go. guys, first time back. Car's acting up, it's overheating, and well, it's saying it's overheating. I don't think the car's actually overheating, but the temp sensor is just going crazy. So I'm going to let it cool down maybe for a little bit. They're doing the burnout competition right now. So right after, we'll probably go out and shred again. Stay tuned. My boy Slider here. 1 JZ, 2 JZ. That was it for tonight, they said?
No, they come back later.
Come back later?
They gotta do a burnout.
Yeah, the 2-step, no? So sick. Insane.
Oh, was it really?
Got the Beamer, the
Let's
turbo.
hear it, guys. One more time.
Oh yeah.
Last time.
They're doing the burnout competition.
Ready?
Boy over here kissed the other guy. Sheesh. About to get ran over.
First driver, you guys let's meet tonight's first ever. Let me hear the name. Let me hear the name. What are you driving? A D6 Mustang on daily pickup. Thank you. Oh! It's trying, it's trying. It's going. Line them up, baby, line them up. Line them up. That thing switched gears. Let's go.
Hell yeah. How's she running? 1 JZ.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, I got 1 JZ on that Z too.
Oh, shit, really?
Yeah.
All right, you guys all right?
Thanks, bro.
Give it up for Steve.
Yeah, you gotta swap this.
I know, eventually.
It sounds good though.
Yeah, I like the style.
Amount. Sheesh. Yeah, we fixed it. Sheesh. It's good now?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, at least you can drive though. Yeah. That's the important thing. That's what's up, you brought your winch. That's cool.
Yeah, that's part of the...
That shit's strong.
Yeah, look.
Hell yeah. Getting it. That's how we bend it back.
Yep, that's it. Put it back now. Good now.
Let's go.
I need a hammer now.
I don't even have a hammer. You have a hammer? He got one.
Oh, sick. Thanks.
Hell yeah. Hey, bro. Sheesh. Look at this thing. Holy cow. Money in this junk. Insane. Nitrous too. Huh. This thing's ready to party, baby. Sheesh. Insane. Insane. Trying to fix the bumper still. Come in a little bit, like hard. That's it? Hell yeah. I mean, not perfect, but it's pretty good. I say it's pretty good.
No way.
Como estaba?
No, someone hit me.
Oh, man.
That's pretty good.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
That's how we do it out here. No tools, just brains.
Just the winch.
Brains. That's
Yeah.
it, baby.
Yo,
Hell yeah.
you got it. Let's see. Where's the car, Jose?
Over there, I can't find the port, man.
I got it.
boy hooking it up. Alright guys, we're doing a little better after that tune, or after that setup that we did. We messed around with the settings a little bit. Car's still breaking up, as you guys can saw in the video. But we're definitely driving a little better this time. We're gonna let it cool down a little bit, and then we're gonna go shred a little more. Hopefully 1 or 2 more laps. Line's huge. I'm not risking overheating the car a little bit more. Gotta put some stronger fans. Gonna see if I can try and mount them up front. Loud. But yeah, we're gonna see what happens, guys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
No.
Alright guys, so we did better. Couple last runs. Last run was the one though. Check it out. Check it out. Let's get it.
My boy, amazing!
Alright guys, about to head out. Thank you guys for watching. We had a great time.
100%.
Let's get it.